and I love sports like gymnastics, soccer, water polo, and swimming, and now I love tennis. Oh, and now I have a joke for you. Why did the alligator wear a vest? Because he was an investigator.